18th, 2017. George and MoJoe, captain, we're heading out to do some tog fishing today. Get those blackfish, white chins, tog, tautog, whatever you want to call them friggers. We're going to try and catch them today.
It's been a while.
And I need my strength because right over here, thank you, Sam, I got my bacon on everything toasted, everything bagel with butter.
Okay, second mate. Start clipping them. Start.
What?
The crabs. Start cutting the crabs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We need more.
Yes.
That's what I call bacon.
Love my bacon.
I love bacon.
Well, we're gonna have to head back to another spot. We can't get after the bridge. The swells are really tough. They're 3-4 foot swells. But that's it. We're gonna go to another spot where we're a little more protected. Take your hands off the motor. We got big swells out here, and who's running the friggin' boat again?
It's on autopilot.
We got a fish. Oh, got a nice fish. Oh, you're here. Oh, yeah.
Keeper.
Oh, without a doubt.
I want to get you. I want to get mine on there. I'm gonna shut this off.
Yeah. My first fish, exactly 16 inches of the day. First here, 5 minutes, we got him.
First fish.
First fish.
Keeper.
You got it.
So we should get our limit today, right?
We hope so.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Got another one, Joe. Oh yeah, here he comes. Oh, here he comes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, another one. Looks 16. Whoa. Fish on for today. First one for Joe. Here he is. Nice fish.
Water's clear, right?
Clean, crystal clear. Nice. Ooh, beautiful fish. Joe's second. Oh, that's a real baby. Up, here comes Tony. Caught a bogey today. 9 inches and a release. Fish on. Oh, there he is. He's coming up. End of day. We had a beautiful day. Just it was a shame we couldn't get out this morning because of the sea swells were coming in. They were a good 3 footers from the west. But we stayed in in an area by around by Joe, and we picked up 3 keepers. We caught 12 fish today with 3 keepers, exactly 16 and a quarter, and the rest nice 9 were thrown back.
Your first fish was a keeper.
Yeah, right away, 5 minutes, bingo. But thanks again for the invite, Joe. We'll be out tomorrow, trying to maybe go onto the bridge. We'll see.
Anytime.